this video, I will show you how to complete the orthographic views for this question number 14 in this particular model. Alright, let's study the orthographic views given first. So notice that this is a third angle projection. Alright, this will be my front view because I have a view on top representing the plan view, and normally for the front view, there's a view on the side which denotes that okay, this is a side view. This probably is the left view of this particular model. Alright, so this will be my front, having the circle, the pink surface. I have the orange surface, and I have a hidden surface or a box here. This is actually, this box here will um, this box here actually denotes. Okay, let me try and draw. This one here is actually a true hole. Okay, a rectangle hole. Same thing for here is a true hole. Okay, true hole. Alright, so just take note of this. Okay, so now let's go down to let's complete the views given here. So in the front view, what I have is that I have a true hole here because it's a circle. I must have a center line. Okay, center line. So now let's go to center line. Alright, change the layer to center line, draw a line. Now I'll show you how to create center line. So what happens is that if you have your object snap being turned on, if you have center line being ticked, okay, whenever you go near a circle, you notice that you snap to the center. Alright, so instead of clicking on the center first, I will not click on the center. What I do is that I will use my mouse, go near the center, I will track it. Notice I can track from the center to the side, and I click left click one time, okay, and then I come to here. For center line, once done, space bar. Alright, for center line, normally we try to have about equal amount of extension, okay, over the item. Alright, for example, this circle, I have the line exceed the item a little bit here. This distance in here should be about the same. Okay, similar. Okay, no need to be exactly, just similar. And next one, same thing, repeat the process. Track from the center, do not click first, draw upwards. From here, click one time, go down. So this is my center. Okay, the center lines. Okay, what is missing from this view is actually a true hole, right? So from here, from the plan view, notice there's a rectangle hole already drawn for you. So I can use this construction method. Draw a line from here, go down, click one time, go down again using tracking method, go down, click another time. Same thing. You can actually press spacebar. Okay, what I did is I press spacebar to repeat the last command, which is the line command. Spacebar, click here, come to here, and click one time. So what I do now, what I do have is I can select this tool. I can say match layer to this one, and it will change to the outline layer. Alright, so next one, is this correct? Actually it's not correct. This one should be what? Hidden, not outline. So actually I should need to go down to change this to hidden view, to hidden lines. Okay, so escape. Alright, and now this is complete. So let's go up to do the plan view. Okay, so for the plan view, okay, notice I have this blue surface, I have the purple that I can see. Okay, so let's try and complete the purple surface first. This is the box. Alright, draw a line. So you notice that where the box ends is at this point here. Okay, zoom in a little bit, this point here. Okay, so I can see that from this is my point that I've indicated just now. From this point I need to draw upwards. I just draw it up, vertically up first. Okay, and what it does is that this line, okay, representing, okay, where this line should be. Okay, where this line should be. So what I do now is I go to outline, line, I zoom in a little bit. Okay, from here I need to extend to touch the red line. Drop down. I track to this one. Click and here. Okay, so this is my purple surface. Alright, and how about blue? Okay, blue will be this one. Blue, notice if I draw, blue is actually from here. Okay, outline. Actually, it's been drawn correctly for you already. From this point, the extreme size of the circle or cylinder, you draw outwards, you notice that it's actually this line here. Alright, so what do I need to do? So now I need to complete this particular drawing, correct? So what you do is I've hidden a true hole here. So this is going to be a hidden line. Into hidden line. Alright, so this pattern I'm going to show you is without using the construction line. I go to line. I can track from this intersection point. Okay. Alright. Slowly I move it upwards. Make sure that I do not lose this green line. If I move away too much, it's notice I lose it. I can't get back. Okay, if I can't get back, let's go back to this point again. Okay, track upwards. Okay, this is the point. You click and then move up. You can click. Okay, to complete the line. Same thing you do for this side. Track it up one time, another time. Okay, so this is my cylinder. Okay, cylindrical hole. And for any cylindrical hole, you must have a center line to indicate it's a cylinder or a hole. For circular hole, alright, so line, change to center line. From here, track it up, click here, click here. Okay, here and here. Okay, just make sure that the amount of extension beyond the cylinder is about similar. Okay, similar in distance. And this is where it's more or less complete. Okay, alright. So how about here? This face here. So this is a bit more tricky, a bit more construction needs to be done. You can see that you can see this greenish brown surface. Okay, it's a rectangle. That means there are 4 points here. The hidden, or rather the rectangle hole, the cylindrical hole. Okay, all these are information that needs to be filled out here. Alright, so the information that I have is basically the size of the bigger cylinder. Okay, so now I fill in the rest. I go to construction line, line. What I'm plotting now is this rectangle here. So I know that it's rectangle this size. I start from here, drop down to where? Okay, so the size can be from the position can be inferred from the front view. So I know this is my size. Okay, all right. Then same thing. I can track from this point, go to here. All right. Next, start from here again, from the other side of the rectangle. Go to the middle line, drop down. Make sure it's vertical. All right. Track from the front view. Okay, click here. From here, click here. Okay, if you want, you can complete the box using construction line first. It's okay. After that, we will change it to outline. Okay, select this one, this, and then I'll say I can use match, or I can from here click here to change it to outline. All right. So what's next? I have the hidden, or not say hidden, but rather the true hole, the rectangle hole. Same thing. From here, drag it down. Click here. Spacebar. These two items change to hidden. Alright. And what else? And the next one I need to have is this one here. Okay. They must be shown on here as well. So just change to hidden line, layer, line. From here I track. Because it's a through hole, right? It goes through the entire item, the entire part. Same thing. From here I track. Okay, here to here. Okay. Alright. So what's missing now is the center line. Okay. From here, or this endpoint, I track somewhere near outside, and then zoom in a little bit. Click on this point. Okay, and more or less you have complete these orthographic views. Alright, so that's the end of the video.